Betterment Premium Robo-advisor for investing, honest review. Watch before using. Betterment Premium is an upgraded version of the well-known Robo-advisor, designed for investors who want automated portfolio management with access to human financial advisors. Unlike the standard Betterment plan, Premium includes unlimited calls with CFP professionals, making it ideal for those who need expert guidance alongside algorithm-driven investing. The platform uses tax-efficient strategies like tax loss harvesting, rebalancing, and goal-based investing. With a 0.40% annual fee, it's more expensive than the 0.25% standard plan, but remains cheaper than traditional financial advisors. You'll need at least $100,000 to qualify, which targets mid to high net worth investors looking for a hands-off approach with occasional human input. Betterment Premium supports individual and joint accounts, IRAs, and trusts, integrating features like socially responsible investing, SRI, and smart beta strategies. The user experience is smooth, and the platform's AI-driven rebalancing keeps portfolios optimized without manual intervention. However, if you're an experienced investor who prefers direct control or frequent trading, this may not be the best fit. Compared to competitors like Wealthfront or Vanguard Personal Advisor, Betterment Premium stands out for its seamless automation and advisor access, but lacks direct stock or ETF trading options. The main downside? The 0.40% fee adds up over time, and while advisor access is helpful, it's not as personalized as a dedicated financial planner. Overall, Betterment Premium is best for long-term passive investors who want expert insights without actively managing their portfolio. If you meet the $100,000 threshold and value convenience over customization, it's a solid choice. If not, the standard Betterment plan or another robo-advisor may be a better fit.